How to enable or disable stylus handwriting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search style handwriting from here. So you will see search style handwriting from here. You will see styles handwriting is here. So if you want to disable styles handwriting, so turn off this button, you will see styles handwriting is disabled. So if you want to enable styles handwriting, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see styles handwriting is enabled. So you will enable or disable styles handwriting from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable Stylus handwriting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.